Hey everybody, it's me Omari, aka the Omari Man. Today we are back with us rebuilding the Cleveland Cavaliers without LeBron. So if you didn't see last video, please check that out. We are going to be with DeAndre Ayton and Luka Doncic. We drafted them in the last video. And yeah, we kept Jordan Clarkson, Rodney Hood, and him. That face, I'm sorry. It's just not feeling it. Let's see where our starting five is. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm just hoping we're the worst team in the league this year, because I'm trying to get another #1 pick. And actually, we're gonna send him to the All-Star break first. Okay, guys, we're back. And these are what the standings are looking like for the East. Kawhi is beasting. And we're actually, well, we're doing bad, but we're in the playoff picture right now. We had a winning record for the most of this. So, yeah, I want to see what we're averaging, because I was expecting us to be the worst team in the league. But we're actually pretty decent. So, what are we averaging? 14-11, 14, 13, 5, and 3. Whoa, he's supposed to be a good playmaker. Hey, you get what you get. Rodney Hood, Nicky Young. Dang, Nicky Young stepping it up. Such for that. Our team is basically boo-boo. Wow. I wanted to see what the other rookies were doing. See if we made a good pick. Rookie report. Michael Porter. And then Marvin Bagley. Wow. I knew I should have picked him. I knew it. Wow. I want to see what the award races are looking like. And we got DeAndre Ayton at 2. Man, if we had got Marvin Bagley, we'd have the 2 and 3 spot. But we got Luka at 4, so that's decent. But come on, Luka, you need to be better. Let's see what we can get for. How has he been doing? Has he been doing okay? Nope, no, he has not. And I'll see what we have for. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can get any more value with Jordan Clarkson with him. Ooh. James Johnson. But I'm kind of looking for young players right now. That's the only thing. Oh, no, he just got paid. Oh, that's a weird glitch right there. TJ Warren. We need a small forward, but then, Brandon Knight could be our. Oh, but I don't want that. What? No. I'll give you the second. There. 2 seconds. What is the heck of? Oh my gosh. Alright, we're just gonna do the deal. For Alex Len. Wait. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the trades. Have CPU adjust. No, I would not. But I want to see what standings are looking on the west side. Spurs are 4th. I want to see what is LeBron doing this season. 24. Oh, he stepped down. 8. Oh, he stepped down a bit. But he is more efficient. Well, for field goals, not for 3-pointers. Also for free throws. He's getting less minutes per game though. So. Oh, New Orleans is doing good. Oh, and DeMarcus Cousins walked too. Dang. Oh, they got D Wade with that money. And it's Cantor. Okay, see. Oh, Melo coming off their bench. That's why. Okay. That's all you gotta do, Melo. Telling you. All you gotta do. That's how it's looking. And yeah, now we're gonna simulate to the end. Steph Curry won the MVP again. That's 3 years now. Rookie of the Year, dog won it to Michael frickin' Porter Jr. Sixth Man of the Year, Greg Monroe. Andre Drummond, Defensive Player of the Year. Most Improved is Giannis. Really? 26. He went down in scoring, down in rebounding. His assists went up, his steals went up, and his blocks went up. He's also more efficient from field goal. More efficient. Okay, I could see that. Steve Kerr, still. The rest, I thought he averaged another triple-double. That would have been 3 years in a row. Alright, okay. Bron's still on there. And Cat, whoa, what did he do? Ooh, 22 and 12. I like that. Along with 1.5 blocks. Ooh. Kyle Lowry, what did he do? AD, okay, he got all second team. So did Kawhi. Ooh. Andre Drummond. Ooh, okay. 2 steals. Okay, Kyrie made it. That's nice. Chris Paul, PG. How did KD only get 3rd team? I forgot about. He went down so much. What happened to his minutes? How many minutes? He only went down 2 minutes. Ooh, KD is getting worse. So they just need a DeAndre Jordan and Luka on all rookie first team. That's all you want to hear. And we did take a massive dump. We went all the way down to the 12th seed. So yeah. So it's in the current rounds. Philly got first. I was not expecting, honestly. Ooh, Spurs versus Golden State. Let's go, Spurs. Ooh, LeBron not going back to the finals. Golden State got him in 5. Oh, let's go, Bulls. Oh, yeah. Who do we have? No, I'm not talking about them. Who do we have? Terry Rozier, Zach, Troy Brown, Lord Mark. Oh, we traded them Tristan Thompson. How's he been doing for them? Oh. Well, at least averaging 9 rebounds on 10, so. Now he's also pretty efficient, so. Terry Rozier starting over Chris Dunn. That's tough. And what the? Why is this dude, Troy Brown, starting over Denzel? Hey, it is what it is. Let's go, Bulls. Oh, yeah, Bulls. Oh, I got him in 6. And Warriors versus Philly. Philly, you got this. And they got swept. Curry got his finals MVP. There you go. There he goes. There you go, Steph. We are projected to have the 9th seed. If we go back, then it turns to Atlanta's. I'm not very about. Yes, he got 9. Okay. And I'm gonna see automatically what we have for this 9 pick, cause you know I'm just like that. Or in the draft. So please tune in to see if we trade the pick or we use it to get a good power forward or small forward of the draft. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like down below. Please subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Peace out, fool. Oh, whoops.